Welcome class 5 in your EVS class, and see, we will start who will do this work as we have completed the last chapters, and we will start who will do this work. Have you seen this type of scenario when we are coming from your house to your school, and sometimes we just move on the road, and that time we see here and there the municipality workers are doing this kind of work. Maybe they are educated, maybe not. Every person maybe do not like this kind of work to do. Even I have seen some of the persons, they hate this person, they do not want to touch those person. So this is a kind of scenario we can see. Here they are taking off the garbage. Here you will see they are sweeping on the road, and here we can see they are taking the sewage and the other excreta from the main hall, and then here they are just taking this dirty things from place to disposal area. So these all kind of work. So one of my friend used a interview on, tried to take the interview for cleaning job. Since where have you been doing this work? About 20 years. Why did you not study further? You need money for the studies, and even after the most of the people continue to do this kind of work. So after a category of the person, or you can say the SC persons, few persons which are related to this work, they have to opt this kind of work, because we think that they are the only person who will do this job. We are not. So what do you mean? Since our great grandfather time, even before, the most people of the community have to do this work. Even after getting a college degree, we people do not get any other kind of work. So there we have to do the work. What is that? So it is why the entire city, all the people who do this kind of work are from our community. So this is this is a story of about a special community who clean up all the roads, who clean up our excreta, but even these people are not getting their respect from the society. So since when they are doing this work, here you see there are many kind of professions are here. So we can see the professions are there are so many professions we can see. In a first profession, the farmer is there, bus driver is there, a person who is traffic controller, who is the traffic control police. Here we can see restaurant are here, teachers are here, doctor is here, and the persons who are who is cook or the chef, that person is making the food. So different kind of profession, few. And here one small girl is picking up the things which are laying on the floor. So she is a garbage picker, or you can say these children do this kind of work. Now what would it happen if nobody did this work? If nobody cleaned the garbage lying outside your school and your house from 1 week, that means everywhere we will feel the foul smell, everywhere there will be the heap of the garbage, and we will unable to do any kind of work due to this dirtiness. So these people are helping us to clean our city and country, whatever the society where we are living. This is their devotion, that they are making the place clean. Okay. So do you think that anyone has ever tried to change this situation? So many people tried it. We know Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and then there is one named Gandhiji also there, had a friend Mahadev Bhai Desai. Mahadev Bhai sons Narayan also stayed in Gandhiji's ashram, and Gandhiji was the first person who thought about them and about their whatever the pain they have. So the Narayan Bhai, who was 11 years old, he was studying in Gandhiji's Sabarmati ashram like anybody else in the ashram. He had to do various kind of job. One day his job was to teach the guest how to clean the toilet, and in Sabarmati ashram each and every member of the ashram had to do each kind of work. Even they had to clean up the toilet also. So under which baskets were kept, and that time the toilet is not like our present toilet. There were some pits were there where the baskets are kept, and people used to excrete out there, and the people on the persons who have to clean that, they have to take the basket in the cleaning place, and they have to clean this basket, and they have to then wash the basket again to keep that there, that place. So later the basket had to be lifted by hand of the emptied. It was the unusual practice that the people from a particular community would do this work, but the Gandhiji ashram, every person had to carry the basket to the composite pit and empty it. No one was excused from this work, not even the guests. Narayan Bhai remember how some people used to try this work, and they were unable to do this work, and they have left the ashram. Some year later, Gandhiji went to stay at a village near Wardha in the Maharashtra. Gandhiji, Mahadev Bhai and others started to clean the toilet in the village. They did for some month. One morning a man coming to the toilet saw Mahadev Bhai, pointed to him and said, "There is a lot of dirt over there, go and clean that." He thought that Mahadev Bhai is also is responsible for cleaning this garbage and this thing, but he was not actually that. He was teaching the persons to doing that. So this is our misconception, that we think that these persons who are cleaning those type of areas, they are untouchable, we can't touch them, and this kind of work is just associated with few person only. Okay, he asked Gandhiji why this was so. Gandhiji replied, "Untouchability is a serious matter. Lot of hard work will be required to change this," because in our earlier time people were very much hate these people. They do not want to touch them. They even did not want to sit beside them. Even the students who went to their schools only belong to that caste or that community. Children have to clean the toilet of the school. So it is a very injustice thing that those persons had to do that time. What is the use of this? Village people do not change their thinking. So at first we have to think, we have to change our thought process. Gandhiji replied, "Why don't you think the people who clean up benefit from it? They also learn a lesson. To learn something is like learning a new skill, even it is a cleaning job." So it is a cleaning job. We don't have to think about this, and the persons who are related to them, they are not at all untouchable. Even then we have to but we have to pay our respect to them, that they are cleaning our city, and we don't have to think that they are untouchable. Now Gandhiji and the Narayan continued to argue about this, but when they grew up, Narayan also followed the path shown by the Gandhiji. So this is the work Gandhiji have taught the person, that no work is a miniature work, nobody is a small person, or no one is untouchable. We should have to correct our thinking, we have to correct our thought process. Only that way we can create a new world, and there will be no untouchability. Okay, so that's all for the day. We have completed this chapter, and tomorrow I will discuss all the questions related to this chapter. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.